Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm going to show you, this is my Trex Arms Raptor holster for my Glock 19, and I'll show you the Raptor claw there, which keeps it tight to your body, slides up and down too much on the inside of my jeans there. I do know that having a proper gun belt will help, which I'll eventually get that, but I just kind of wanted to show you guys a little thing that I kind of figured out. I bought some safety guard tape. It's kind of like a grip tape. I think like skateboard grip tape would kind of work as well here. But anyway, I'm going to show you guys what to do here. So you actually just cut a little piece and just stuck it on the claw. Stuck it on the claw here to give it some more grip so it's not going to be sliding around, because that plastic just would slide around. And what I did here is actually molded it all the way around the claw, so that way it wouldn't get snagged and eventually pull off. But you can see here, it's tight now, and the only thing that is actually moving is the belt. So once I get a different belt, then it's going to be good. So, but anyway guys, I just wanted to give this short little tip here for you. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Definitely consider subscribing. There'll be some more gun content in the channel here in just a little bit. I bought some wood for my AKM, so I'm going to be putting that on, and got some other stuff. But anyway guys, thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.